What's up, John? Welcome to Girona Basket.
Appreciate you.
This is the locker room. This is where we get prepared. This is where we get ready for the game. You sit here, I'm sitting here, and this is where we, go over the game plan. This is our hallway. This is where we bring it up. We do 1, 2, 3, Girona. After that, we go out here and we walk this way. Now today is a special match because it's Kids Day. It's going to be a bunch of kids all over the arena in Girona basket gear, and we're super excited because Fontajau is the key for us, winning our games. Right. So we want to get hyped with the kids, get hyped with the fans, and this is where we exit out. It's going to be kids all on this side, kids on this side. We shake their hands, and then we go to the court. On the far side, we have our bench, and right next to our bench is Engabiats, our biggest supporters, where they are the loudest in the gym, and they kind of lead Fontajau in all the chants. And Fontajau is la claus, which means Fontajau is the key, especially for us to get our wins.
I'm excited. Let's do it.